Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and happy journaling. So this is episode 3 of Will This Kit Be Enough? And this is how much of the journal is filled so far. And my goal with this series is simple, to see how many pages I can fill using only this kit and whether this kit will actually be enough to complete this journal. But as you can see, there is still a lot left, so I'm still not sure what's going to happen. And don't forget, it's a giveaway as well.
So, are you ready?
I think so. What's the next challenge?
So, your next challenge is only one side.
Okay, that means I have to leave the other side completely empty. Okay, let's start. So I'll start with this paper. So I'm cutting it according to the size of one side. I like how clean this already looks. I'm just cutting this little cat from here. It's really cute. And I'll add some small details, keeping everything soft and simple. Okay, this is the final look.
It's soft, clean, and very cute.
Yeah, sometimes doing less on the page actually makes everything stand out more.
Okay. So, your next challenge no empty space.
Oh, so now completely opposite? Okay, let's go. So I'm covering the entire page first. Then I'll cut it into 3 pieces.
I think that's very creative.
Now I'm using this piece as a small pocket and adding a paper inside. Then few more details and I'll just fix everything with the washi tape. And this is the final result.
Okay, this looks full.
Yeah, but in a good way. It's busy but interesting.
Okay, so your next challenge is creating a pattern with brush pen.
Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting from the bottom corner, creating a small pattern here, which is a check pattern, simply using the brush pen. And with the help of this brush pen, I'm gonna create this check pattern. Then to add more detail, I'll add these hearts. Then I'll add this checklist with the washi tape and a few small cards here and there with the help of washi tape, keeping everything light and simple. Okay, this is the final page.
It feels organized.
So yeah, that's it. Let me show you all the pages.
Can't wait for the next day to give you challenge.
Don't worry, I'm ready. And buddies, don't forget, the entire journal is going to one of you. So if you want it, watch the series and tell me why you want this journal. And to participate in this giveaway, you can watch my episode 1 for the rules. I hope you are enjoying this series and getting that little spark along the way. And if you are still here watching this, that means a lot to me. Also, so many of you have already participated, and honestly, it's going to be really hard for me to choose just one winner. And thank you so much for all the love you are showing. It truly means a lot. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.